So I have a microphone on channel 5 here for my guitar amp. It's over here. I already got some sound coming through it, so now we want to send some effects to it. So the first thing we have to do is come over here to our bus area, and let's select a bus, and I have these two that I want to use for this. Once we have the bus selected, we come up and select the first one of the two that I want, because these are going to be stereo, and I'll show you why. Just select the first one for now. Then come up, press the home button up here so that you're on the home menu, and then go to the config tab by pressing the right arrow there, and then down here where it says link, press this, and it'll say, do you want to connect number 5 and 6 so that they're in stereo? And we do. So we click confirm by clicking the confirm button. Now these two should be linked, so if I move one, the other should move with it, and it does. That's good. Good. Now we have the bus created. Now to put some effects on this bus with the bus still selected, we press the effects button and then come over to the home tab. So what we want to, this is where, if you look at number 3 here, it already has bus 5, which is one of them, is being one of those that are on there. So let's first of all get to the right one by going to here, and now that we're on here, let's go to the second encoder and change that second one to bus 6. So with those two impacted right now, the stereo effect should be tied to bus 5 and 6. But if you tap the microphone, there's no type of delay or anything else going to it. That's because with this selected, we now need to click the Sends on Fader button. That says, when I click this, it's going to say, what am I going to tie over here to this channel? So when I select the Sends on Fader, you'll notice everything goes down to nothing. So what we'll do is, for our channel 5 here, which is our microphone that we want to add the effect to, we'll raise that up some, and now we tap it. Hear the effect? And so we could do any other type of effect from there.